In today's math lesson, we're going to factor quadratics with a leading coefficient of 1. As we get this process started, I want you to take a deep breath and realize this is going to be okay. I promise you the pathway that we walk down is going to be consistent and easy to maneuver each and every problem. So let's begin this together. You're going to be given a quadratic, and you have to acknowledge what your A, B, and C numbers are. A and B are both coefficients, while C is a constant. And in this particular lesson, our A coefficient is going to be 1 every time. So we're going to go forward from there. At this point in this problem-solving process, we are going to use one of two graphic organizers. Our first graphic organizer is just a box with a big X through it corner to corner. In the top triangle, we are going to look at the product of our A number times our C number, and that's going to go right here. In our bottom triangle, we are going to place our B number, nice and simple. In our second graphic organizer, we draw a tall capital T. It's a T-chart. And at the top of that T-chart, we're going to place whatever we got from the product of A times C that's living here in the top triangle of our box, here at the top of your T-chart. And using this T-chart, you are going to list out all the different possible pairs, all the different factors of numbers that could have been used to create this value of A times C. From there, we are going to find the magic that's been needed by adding each of these pairs of factors together, whatever they are, and you're going to get something. Who knows? Who knows? But you're looking for the pair that happens to make a sum of that of B. Whatever this sum is down here in our bottom triangle, this B, that's the pair of factors we're looking for. It is from this pair that we are going to now fill in the wings, so to speak, of our box. There's a lot going on in here. I promise. It's going to be okay. We, at this point, will have all 4 locations, all 4 quadrants of our box filled in with numbers. The top from the product of A times C, the bottom from our B, and the wings come from the factors that we found of A and C that have a sum of that B bottom number. All right. So with those 4 numbers, we are going to build our final answer. Our final answer comes from our variable of choice in the problem, plus whatever your left wing is divided by your A number, times your variable X of choice, plus whatever your right wing is over your A number. And we're going to clean this up, and for this particular lesson, because our leading coefficient is 1, because our A number every time is 1 for this lesson, what we are going to see is a final answer of X plus our left wing times X plus our right wing. That's how this is going to work. So let's begin some examples together.